Hi, this is Jay from Startup HR Software, and if you're looking for an HR software for your company, watch this video till the end. Today I'm going to tell you about 5 free HR software that you can get in India. The first one is Pocket HRMS. Pocket HRMS is a software for quick payroll processing that lets you automate deductions and design pay slips on the go. The second one is Grid HR. Grid HR provides one of the best HR and payroll software for small and mid-sized businesses across various industries in India. The third one is RazorPayX Payroll. RazorPayX Payroll is one of the best payroll softwares in India that fully automates payroll processing, payment, and tax filings. The fourth one is Credily. Credily is a free cloud-based HR and payroll software that lets you manage employee data, track leave, track attendance, and automate payroll. And lastly, the fifth one is SomeHR. SomeHR is a free all-in-one HRMS software that caters to your payroll, attendance, and leave management processes. Now, choosing the right HR software for your company can be really confusing. This is why we are offering you free HR consultations so that you can choose the perfect HR software you need. Just visit our website startuphrsoftware.com and tell us your requirements, after which our team of HR experts will help you set up a free demo with the HR software of your choice. So what are you waiting for? The link is also mentioned in the description of this video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and do share this video with your HR.